Hello! So this is part 2 of our Palengke Day. This time, bibisita tayo sa 7-Eleven. I'll show you something very common dito. Our inhaler siya in a jar. Dalawa na yung naging ganito ko. One was given to me and one I bought, pareho kong nabasag, or I think I lost the other one. So iba't ibang version siya. Herbal inhaler. This is another one. Kung bibisita kayo ng Thailand, these are items na pwede nyong pampasalubong pag-uwi. Ointments. They have so many others. So, a friend of mine also gave me this. Hindi masyadong masakit sa, or hindi siya masyadong mahapdi sa balat. And it actually does smell good. This is what I am currently using naman. Siguro mga 1/4 na lang yung natitira. So, I think I need to buy a new one soon. There are so many items naman here na you can find across 7-Eleven in Southeast Asia. Pero I would like to show you some items na I find unique here. So if you notice, marami sa mga endorsers nila ng beauty products, kahit na pambabae, men yung nag-endorse. This is a very popular brand in Thailand and across Asia. Snail white serum. Whitening, of course. More of bright. Oh, Win actually. Win, who is very popular in the Philippines as well. More snail white products. Medyo sikat din dito yung mga watermelon themed products. Here's more men to endure skincare products. Like this one. First Olay. Nice. One thing I like about Thailand as well is marami silang selection of skincare products for men. This guy, napanood ko siya sa Hormones, the series. This is Garnier for men. Cool. And I think the very first movie that became popular in the Philippines was Shutter, and that's a scary movie featuring this guy. His name is Ananda. I have tried this soap before. Ito medyo cute yung packaging kasi one pack of several small slices of soap. Pero what I have tried was yung big bar nito. Siguro good idea ito para mas matipid. Pero this is effective, mabango siya, and it does clarify your skin. Yep, I would recommend this one. Dried fruit section. Let's start with the popular tamarind from Thailand. Prepared differently for you. This one is basically tamarind with sugar. Ito tamarind with, I guess, MSG and spices, as well as this one, hot spicy preserved tamarind. Then we go to the rest: sweet cured plum, dried cranberries, prunes. Ito combination, I think this would be nice sa cereals when you eat breakfast. Raisins, of course. For anyone who has been to Jatujak Market, I'm sure dried fruit section is something that you will not miss. They also have dried oranges over here and green mangoes. These products are exported to the ASEAN region, I guess, because nakikita ko rin tong mga to sa Manila eh. I'm not sure if it's specifically this one, pero they look familiar. More tamarind products, spicy sweet tamarind. Ito naman, selection of flavorings para hindi ka na mahirapan gumawa ng tom yum kung soup or lab yum wonsen, marinated grilled pork, yellow curry stir Thai chili paste. Meron ako neto sa bahay. This is very useful. Nilalagay ko to sa tom yum. Anytime that I feel na medyo bland yung kinakain ko, I put this. So trivia, Thailand exports most of the coconut milk supply in the world. So if you're into green pea snack like I am, then you can try this one. Well, this is Albi. This is a Japanese brand, but this one is manufactured in Thailand. Manufactured by Kalbi Kanawat Corporation Limited in Bangko Industrial Estate in Sukhumvit, Samut Prakan, Thailand. If you do want to try what Thailand can offer as an option from Hanami Foods Limited. Hanami, that sounds Japanese pa rin. Hey Bam Bam, how are you? So this guy does not need introduction here, but for those of you who don't know him, he is Bam Bam from GOT7, a K-pop group. Of course, we cannot miss Lactosoy. Malapit na naman ang summer and malapit na namang maglabasan ng mga lamok. These products would be very useful. I have one at home. Mosquito coil, a lot of them. Lalo na dito sa probinsya. There. Mosquito lotion. Yeah, I would say they're relatively effective. Merong mga local flavors like this one, Isan Hotpot. Syempre hindi mawawala yung mga fresh food selection, at ang dami nilang choices. Bagay na bagay ito sa mga budget travelers who just wanna try a little bit of the food that the country can offer. Diretso ka lang sa 7-Eleven and you will be able to find a lot. Let's take a look at this one. Easy go. Okay, so i-reheat mo lang siya. Mukhang meron siyang chicken and basil. Chicken, basil, stir-fried with clams and chili paste fried rice. Meron ka ng fried rice for 30 bahts. Thais are also fanatics of Japanese culture. Hindi ko makuha. So that's gyoza over there. Yup. So sabi sa akin, meron daw dalawang pop culture fever dito. The first one was K-pop or Korean fever. And then the next one is Japanese fever. So very popular din. Very popular, especially now yung J-pop. This one is more pad kimao. Ano yan? Spaghetti with chili chicken basil leaf. Looks yummy. How much is it? For 35 bahts. Stir-fried chicken basil with rice. So this is basically pad kapaw. For 35 bahts. 100% vitamin C. 120 milligrams. So, I'm not sure if they are effective, pero hindi naman ako nagkakasakit. And they're delicious actually, very refreshing. Some of the guys na napapanood ko sa mga BL series and BL movies. Of course, there's Win again. And some faces I see, but I don't know. I think it should stay like beside each other. Noodles! There you go. If you do want to try and take home something very local, so you'd probably like to buy this one. Mama, well, this is instant, like you can eat this anywhere. Pero if you wanna bring something home, then you'd probably like to buy this. I have this at home palagi. Asan ba yung mama? Basta yung mama na brand, staple brand nila yun dito. Like, yeah, this one. Yup, yeah. Yup. Mama is synonymous to noodles because I guess this was the first brand of noodles here, or maybe the most popular. So every time they talk about noodles, they would say Mama, which basically means noodles, whatever brand of noodles. So when you go to 7-Eleven, please don't miss this. They come in different sizes. Big sheet. This is seaweed. Yung brand, I think it reads Takanoi. This is owned by a very young entrepreneur. By this time, I think he's only 20, I don't know, maybe 28 or 29. Yep, my movie pa nga about this one. I have seen that and I was very touched and inspired by that movie. Yep. So don't miss this, I'll buy this one too. Ito yung ibang klase niya, oh. Takanoi. Merong spicy flavor. And this one too. Ayun, medyo nahirapan akong hanapin to. Okay, this is bento. It says bento. It sounds Japanese, but it is indeed a Thai product. Let me show you. Product of Thailand. There you go. When my Thai friend visited the Philippines, may dala siyang ganito, spicy squid. Eat it just like that. Pull it out of the packaging and eat it. Pero I was taught na pwede mo siyang isaw-saw sa malamig na beer and it's going to be crunchy. Yun nga, kahit hawakan mo lang dito, makunat siya. Pero kapag isinaw-saw mo siya sa beer, lulutong siya. Quite amazing.
So that concludes our 7-Eleven tour. Next stop natin is Tesco Lotus, which is just right in front of us. Ayan. But before that, ano ba? I just bought three items from 7-Eleven. Big sheet, again, don't forget, I love this brand. Collagen, which we're going to try now. And bread. Ang dami ko na kasing nabiling food, so para hindi naman nakakahiya na umikot lang ako doon tapos wala akong binili, so I just bought something. Let's try this. Collagen, 1,000 milligrams, high vitamin C. Okay. So yan siya. You see it? Oh! Sorry. Isa dun sa nandun sa counter is a student from the school where I teach. Wala lang.